Before science explained the human body, people turned to fear and imagination. For centuries, many cultures believed hiccups were caused by demons or evil spirits trying to enter the body. Sudden hiccups were seen as supernatural attacks. This is why people tried strange cures like holding their breath, drinking water upside down, or scaring someone suddenly to force the demon out. Today, we know hiccups are just muscle spasms. But back then, they were terrifying. This shows how humans once explained the unknown with superstition, and how far we've come from blaming demons for something as simple as a hiccup.